Class, tomorrow exam is gonna be really easy. I mean, the problem I'm solving it for you is gonna be much harder than tomorrow exam. And they're all made up question. You don't have it in your notes. I just make them up. For example, if you have a function like y equal e to power of 2x multiplied by secant e multiply x multiplied by e to power of x, then how you can find the derivative? First of all, you see e to power of 2x is multiplied by secant x e to power of x. Then you need to use the product rule. You have f of x multiplied by j of x. Here your f of x is gonna be e to power of 2x, j of x is gonna be secant x multiplied by e to power of x. To finding a product rule derivative, you find the derivative of the first one multiplied by the second function plus derivative of the second function multiplied by first one. We solve it by definition of derivative before. Before I go solve the problem, I'm gonna just give you a little more details. If for example we have if we have, for example, e to power of kx, if we want to find the derivative, you just write a k multiplied by e to power of kx. I'm so sorry. K here is a number, is not a function. Then if you have, for example, e to power of 2x, just write the 2 multiplied by e to power of 2x. Okay. For here, first I have to find the derivative by e to power of 2x multiplied by my second function. Okay, the first step I'm gonna do it. E to power of 2x, the derivative is gonna be 2 multiplied by e to power of 2x, and I multiply it by the second function. Plus, the second function you need to use the chain rule, because you have one big function, but instead of x you have another function. If you have a chain rule, you for example you want to find the derivative of fjx, you need to find the f prime, but anywhere you want to put the x, instead of x you put the jx, multiply by derivative of the inner function. Your function, your jx here is e multiplied by e to power of x, and you need again to use the product rule, because e is x is multiplied by e to power of x. You need to use the product rule. The derivative of x is gonna be 1 multiplied by e to power of x, is gonna be e to power of x, plus derivative of e to power of x is gonna be e to power of x multiplied by x, is gonna be x multiplied e to power of x. This is my j prime. Now what is the derivative of secant x?